Vanakkam and welcome to Sound the Talks. In today's video, we are going to look into tips that can make us fluent English speakers. Alright, let's jump right away into the tips one by one. The first tip that I have for you is don't hesitate to make mistakes. Be confident whenever you speak in English. Only if you make mistakes, the people surrounding you can help you correct those mistakes. Only if you speak, they will know that you are making a mistake, right? So speak yourself out with utmost confidence. Make mistakes, correct them, embrace your mistake. The next tip that I have for you is surround yourself in an English speaking environment. When you surround yourself in an English speaking environment, you can make sure that you are passively studying something from another person and you are improving yourself also. When you listen to someone speak something, you will try to inculcate that in your English skill and also try to, speak that when you're trying to speak to somebody else, and you can improve your fluency in English only by speaking. So try to be in English speaking environment. Alright. The next tip that we have for you is practice the 4 core skills. Reading, writing, listening and speaking. Only if you practice these 4 skills and improve yourself in all these areas, you can improve your overall English fluency. The next tip that we have for you is keep a notebook of the new words that you learn and use them in your sentences at least 3 times in a day. So if you learn one new word in a day, use them at least 3 times in a day. It's very easy to learn, right? The next tip that we have for you is you will find it very easier to remember a word if you have an example related to that word. So relate every word that you learn with an example so that whenever you remember that example, you will remember the word and inculcate that word into your vocabulary. The next tip that we have is don't translate English into your own language. Think in English to improve your English fluency. So think in English, speak in English, improve your English fluency. The next and the final tip that we have for today is enjoy whatever you're doing. Only when we enjoy things, only when we are having fun with whatever we are doing, we learn a lot. So enjoy your English, enjoy your each and every step that you're taking in this journey. Thanks for watching Sound the Talk. See you all in a fresh video tomorrow. Bye.